Have you ever seen someone do something sneaky and thought, they'll never get caught? Well, that's exactly what Felix the Fox thought when he decided to play a trick in the forest. But little did he know, even the cleverest tricks can't hide forever. Let's find out what happened when Felix tried to steal a golden egg. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a clever little fox named Felix. Felix was quick on his feet and very smart, but he had one little problem. He loved playing tricks on his friends. One day, while wandering near the edge of the forest, Felix spotted something shiny and beautiful. A golden egg. The golden egg belonged to Olivia, the wise owl who always helped the other animals in the forest. She was known for her kindness and wisdom. Olivia loved her golden egg and kept it safe. But Felix didn't think about any of that. His eyes sparkled with mischief. "What a perfect prize!" he thought. Without a second thought, he grabbed the egg and dashed into the woods. He hid it in his den, feeling proud. "No one will ever know it's me," Felix whispered to himself, giggling. He couldn't wait to see what would happen when Olivia's egg was gone. The next morning, Olivia came searching for her egg. She asked all her friends, but no one had seen it. Felix stayed quiet, keeping his secret safe. But as the days passed, something strange started happening to Felix. Every time he tried to catch a rabbit or find food, it slipped away. His tricks didn't work anymore. He felt more and more unlucky. His fur began to itch, and he couldn't understand what was going wrong. One day, as Felix wandered through the forest, feeling sad and hungry, he bumped into Ruby, a small, wise rabbit.
"You've taken something that doesn't belong to you, haven't you, Felix?"
Felix's ears drooped.
"How did you know?"
Ruby nodded gently.
"Because, Felix, no secret goes unnoticed in the forest. The trees, the wind, the animals, all of them know when something is wrong, and the forest always finds a way to set things right."
Felix's heart sank. He finally understood. The bad luck he had been feeling was because of what he had done. It wasn't just a trick. It was wrong, and the forest had a way of showing him that. Ruby continued.
"It's not too late to make things right, Felix. If you return the egg, your luck will change. It's never too late to fix what you've done wrong."
Felix didn't waste a second. He rushed to Olivia's tree and returned the golden egg.
Olivia, seeing Felix's honesty, smiled warmly at him.
"Thank you for bringing it back, Felix,"
she said kindly.
"You've learned an important lesson today. It's always better to be honest, even when it feels hard."
Felix felt a huge weight lift from his shoulders. From that day on, he promised never to trick his friends again. He learned that no matter how clever you think you are, no wrong deed goes unnoticed. And it's always best to do the right thing. Do you think Felix learned his lesson? What do you think happens when someone takes something that doesn't belong to them?
If you liked Felix's story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in the forest. And remember, always choose honesty, just like Felix did in the end.